Today's the day. We have to go out now and fly the LR Tricopter. This guy here. Hopefully it's all good. You'll see I've got the GPS on. I've got a very loud buzzer which flashes an LED as well. A little stumpy antenna. I'll replace that for a much bigger one if I go for an FPV fly. I've got offset antennas here. Hopefully that's going to be okay for long range. Hopefully we're good. We'll see how good we are. Okay, so it's been a long story with this LR Tricopter from RC Explorer, but we've pretty much got it now, I hope, and I've just plugged it in, set it down over here, got the dear old Tyrannus here ready to go. So this is first flight after a full rebuild. See how we go. There's my darling Tricopter right there. That was an inauspicious start, wasn't it? I think we've got our props on backwards by the look of this. Okay, so here we are back in for try number 2. I was pretty sure that the props were on the right way around, and I checked them and I'm pretty sure they were okay. So I checked the accelerometer in Betaflight, and yeah, it was at a weird kind of an angle. So that must have been it, and how it got not corrected. I had corrected that and checked all my settings in Betaflight, but anyway. So here it is again. Just booted up. Let's have another go. And here you come, old girl. We are ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Well, that's less than spectacular, isn't it? Why would it be doing that, guys? Well, I have had some fun. And I think I had the motors configured the wrong way around. I thought I was following David's build video on RC Explorer. And I thought that he had it, that it was motors were 1, 2, 3, but Betaflight says that it's 1, 2, 3. Now, if I had the motors configured the wrong way, that would explain why it wants to flip over. So I've just gone in and rewired the motors so that now they are 1, 2, 3. And we'll see if that makes a whole heap of difference. I guess it will, but we'll find out. Here we go. So first thing, we'll turn on this little guy just to get an in-flight video and see if that's going to do anything. Okay, that video is recording. That's on, that's on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Down here, switch warning. Okay. I reckon we're all good to go. So here we go. Looking better already. Got a bit waggy tail. Got a very waggy tail. I don't know why he's doing that. What are we seeing? Something's not happy, isn't it? Got a lot to do with that servo. We're just not happy chappies, are we? Over there you go. Last time, well, let's have a bit of a look here. What's going on? We're not loose. Let's just check this out. We're not armed. And just to be sure, want to pull the plug. Now, what's going on here, mister? Is the servo not centered? Pretty sure the servo's wired correctly there, but then again I was pretty sure the motors were wired correctly too. So let's see what you do. Now, it's not sitting centered by the look of that when it takes off, but the flight controller wouldn't that figure it out? That's an interesting little dilemma, isn't it? That servo's just going fucking nuts. Well, I don't know. I guess we'll have to look into the servo and check the wiring and check the whatever on that. Now there you go. Switch that off. Switch this off. Switch that off. And say the never-ending tale of my LR Tricopter. Just another chapter. But we're getting closer, so we'll give it another look. Okay, we've had some success, which is kind of nice. And now I'm just going to sort of fly it around for a little while and see whether I sort of think it's okay, or if I've got to do some more wiring or tuning, or probably have. Well, let's find out. Uranus.
Welcome to OpenTX.
The poor old Mobius Mini looks like it's either run out of battery or it did have a hernia from its fall out of the copter there before, so he's decided he doesn't want to play now after all, so there you go. Okay. Out to the tarmac. Ooh, see, it doesn't like that give it too much rudder, and it doesn't like it too much. So maybe I've just got to cut the amount of throws down in Betaflight, or rather in the Tyrannus, cut down the amount of throws, because that's just taking it past the limit. It's not allowed to do that. I keep it fairly gently, apparently within the range. Just a little more. Here we go. Maybe I'll have to adjust those throws. That must be what it is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, show me you can do it. On his video, David does have a whole section where he talks about tuning of the tail, so well, I guess I'll have to refer to instructions and see what I can find out, because kept within moderate boundaries, this thing seems to be flying the way it's supposed to. My newly added navigation lights there look pretty good. On a bright sunny day, it's not too hard, and when it's not too far away, to keep check of the orientation, but when it goes, whoops, over there. Especially when it's coming straight at you like that. Nice to have the lights there. So that's flying a bit better. A little bit too hard on the rudder, and that's it. It pulls the pin. So we need to check, I think, about our tuning in the radio, how much throw we give there. I'll go back and refer to the expert. But overall, after an interesting journey, we're almost up to it. And I'll do another update when I've had another bit of a play with it.